Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Narayana online classes. Today I am going to discuss 7th class chemistry assignment. Topic is air, winds and cyclones. In which the first one is what is the main cause of wind movements? The reason is the uneven heating on earth in different regions. This is cause of wind movements. So answer uneven heating on earth in different regions. Next, coming to second one. Give examples of air expands and contract. Give examples of air expands and contract. Take the balloon. The balloon get bulges under. That means the balloon get bulges when attached to tube under hot water. Similarly, the balloon get contract inside. The balloon get contract inside when attached to tube under cold water. So here answer, give examples of air expands and contract means the air expands in the balloon when the balloon attached to the tube under hot water. So balloon get blown when attached to tube under hot water. That means the balloon the air expands. Similarly, balloon get contract inside when attached to tube under cold water. Next, coming to third one. Explain air exits pressure. For this experiment, we have to take the two balloons and we have to take the one rod. First, the air blows into the balloons. Then the balloon will become bulges. When we blow the air into the balloon will become bulges. Now here we have to tie the mouth of the balloon. Now these two balloons which is tied at the end of the rod. That means one balloon which is tied at one end of the rod, the second balloon which is tied at another end of the rod. And we observe the two balloons, these two they try to come to close each other. What is the reason? Between the balloons, the air pressure is reduced. Why it is reduced? Due to high speed. So the air which is flow from high pressure area to low pressure area. So here explain air exits pressure means take the one rod and take the two balloons, blow the air into the balloon. Next, one balloon which is tied at one end of the rod. The second balloon which is tied at another end of the rod. The air which is present between the two balloons, the air pressure is reduced. That's why the balloons are which is come close to each other. So from this experiment we can say air exert pressure. Next, coming to fourth one. Why is air denser at lower level than at higher altitude? At higher altitude, what happened? The altitude is higher. The altitude is higher above sea level. Then what happened? The density of the air is decreases. What is the reason? Higher altitude. The reason are at a higher altitude there is less air pushing down from above. That means from top to bottom less air is pushing. Pushing from above, and the gravity is weaker further from earth center, and gravity of the earth crust also weaker. So at a higher altitude air molecules can spread out more and air density decreases. Next, coming to fifth one. How else does wind affect and influence our lives? Generally, in our daily life, the wind affect and influence our lives. How it is? Here we can see. The weather affect our lives in more ways. First one, weather affect people differently depending on where you live and what you do for work, where you are working, where you are living. Based on that one, the weather effect is on human being. Here we experience weather every day, even when it seems really nice out. Because weather is whatever the air is like around us. For example, here hot or cold, dry or wet, windy or still, or cloudy or sunny. Based on this one, we can get the weather effect. Next, we decide what we wear. Based on these conditions, we have to wear the different types of the clothes. Rain and snowstorms can make getting from place to place harder, but they also are important for providing water for the farms. I hope you all of you understand the topic. Thank you to everyone.